Hi. Are you lost?
Maybe. Or maybe I found you.
Oh, hey! You two look lonely. I fix lonely.
Do you always talk like that? Your footsteps sound safe. So do your paws.
I collect shiny things and friends.
That's a good collection. Blue, this is about you. I don't want to fly.
But love stays.
We'll face it together. Love means letting go. You made me stronger.
Quiet doesn't mean empty.
I know. It just feels heavy. Did you hear that?
Hope has paused.
I came back to say hi. That's enough.
Friends don't disappear. They just become part of us.